gives in checks, credit cards, and cashes. Well, so we now move on to the next part of the program. The coming up is a dance from the state of Orissa. So from कश्मीर से हम राजस्थान गए हैं, राजस्थान से अभी उड़ीसा पहुंच चुके हैं. As we know, Odisha is rich in culture, in art, culture and heritage. Is a living land which bears Lord Jagannath in heart. Today we are going to witness one of the popular folk dances forms of Odisha, which is the Sambalpuri dance, where the young girls form chains by clutching each other at the shoulders and waist and dance to the tunes of traditional Sambalpuri music. So please welcome the Odisha Waves team, all the ladies on the stage to perform the Odisha Sambalpuri dance. There we go.
রঙ্গবতী কোন কোন তা অসীম দেখো
stage. Please be there on the stage. We still require you on the stage. We want to thank the entire participants, Mosmi Morana, Priyanka Tripathi, Annapurna Mohanty, Anuradha Mohapatra, and Rajashri Nayak. I'm not missing the names, right? Please thank them with a huge round of applause. Wonderful.